Hey, so I've been doing my own hair for a while, dyeing it all sorts of colors. I've done blue and pink, purple and pink, and I tried to go for a tropical sunset look today. A lot of friends have been asking me like, how have you been doing your hair and what is your techniques and all that. I'm an Android developer by career. I am not a trained hair specialist, but it's really easy to do, so I thought I'd do a video for you guys. You'll need a pink, purple, and yellow hair dye, some cling wrap, gloves, and application brush. It's really easy and will take about 45 minutes to an hour to do. Your hair does need to be bleached in the beginning though. This is the end result. In a few seconds you'll see I have pretty much white hair at the time. Okay, let's get started. As you can see, my hairs are very washed out a bit, so it's back to a very blondish color. We were going to apply the color. I'm going to keep the dark roots because I want to try and do a sunset, or this one. I do recommend finding an inspiration for what you want to do, make your hair look like. Don't just jump in there and throw any random colors out. At the end of the day, your hair is your canvas. I tested the hair dyes on a piece of paper to try and see what the color combination would look like in the end. What I'm going to go for is to have the purple, pink, and then a little bit of yellow over here. So most of it here is going to be the purple color, then I'm going to have some pink, and then try a bit of yellow. The hard part here is to try and separate the hair in the different color, like color pigments, color areas. So I think for this, let's split it about here. So this part here will have the yellow and the pink and the purple. So we want to do, let's see, I think okay, so that's our first separation. In this tutorial, I'm going to use cling wrap because firstly, it's much easier to use as it actually clings to your body, and secondly, it's transparent. So I can see through it to what's going on underneath, and I don't have to worry about apply the cling wrap. Now you'll see this is why I'm doing cling wrap, because I'm doing this on myself. I need to be able to see what I'm doing, especially when I'm covering my eyes. Yeah. Okay, separate the hair quick. The main thing here is you want to separate the hair so that you can dye the hair, but without the hair that you're dyeing affecting the hair around it. So I'm doing one below, just so I can flip it over again, but don't worry too much about getting this because that's the art coloring anyway. So let's quickly start with this. And again, I'm just doing the roots on the bottom part. Now, I'll take some of the pink here and just blend that in. And once we've got our purple and our pink done there now, we're going to take a tiny bit of the yellow and just mix that in here with bottom parts. And now we take the cling wrap and we flip it over and close it up. There we go. The first layer is done. Now is probably the hardest one, because from here the cling wrap kind of all sticks to itself. So now we've got a piece that we can put on again. First step, let's separate some of the hair here again. About a good centimeter, 2 centimeters. Also, very important, try to keep it in a straight line. Okay, again, we apply the purple first. And what I'm going to do this time as well is I'm going to apply the purple on this side as well. So I'm going to flip it over in a second, but while I'm here, I might as well get it done too. Okay, now take the pink again. Should actually be using a brush for this, but unfortunately I only had one brush with me. And like I said earlier, the pink can kind of go over purple, but do not let the purple go over the pink, because they won't necessarily blend well. Go. And now this little bit here, we want to get some yellow on, but our gloves got pink on now. So just need to rinse our fingers here quickly. Again, we kind of want that orangey look as well for the yellow. So I'm just mixing it into the pink a bit. And quite a bit of yellow here by the end. Now if you look, you'll already see the colors are happening the way I want it to look, which is the desired result. Okay, now next sheet, put it right over there. There we go. Again, this is why I'm using cling wrap, because now I can still see through that eye, but yeah, it's much more controllable and manageable. Split the section of the hair across again. Now, folding the sheet just back on itself again, like that. Right there by the line where we cut the head last time. And that can also just fold up. And then this part. Just going to put purple. And we put our pink on. And I'm going to take this hair, flip it over, just to make sure it's there. Yeah. Okay, so the basis is done there, and you'll see it's still got the purple and then the pink. So, next step is the back of the hair. That needs to be done. I have done this quite a bit, but you can use another mirror behind you to look. I'm just going to use a reflection of this here to kind of see what's going on, and the mirror I've got to my right. And I also just want to color this part down here too, purely because there's still some bleached hair sticking out. Okay, now this is going to have to stand for about, I'd say, half an hour. But in this time, I'm just going to take another piece of cling wrap and wrap it all across my whole head, just so that all these things don't blow off and blow away. That makes life a little bit easier. Okay, so this is going to have to stand for about half an hour, then we take a shower. I'll show you in a second. See you now. And back. Since I left you guys about half an hour ago, I added another wrap of cling wrap here, just to keep things in place a bit more. The beauty is on time travel, I suppose, in a sense. You guys just jumped half an hour. Okay, so I'm going to jump in the shower quickly to get this off. Oh wait, it's YouTube. That's it. And there we have it. I'm going to wash my face because I see I got some hair down my face, and then I'll dry it and see you guys in a second. But as you can see, the orange worked out quite well towards the sunlight look, and it seems to have gotten all. And here you can see the final product. Pretty much got the tropical sunset look that I was going for. If there's any hair color suggestions that you'd like me to try out, or if you've got any other recommendations, please comment that down below. If you enjoyed this video and would like to watch the rest of my hair colors that I try out in the future, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And have a lovely day.